Has brought to you race number 8.
Pang-isa replay naman atin sa atin Santana Park sa aksyon.
Saddles and Clubs.
Patok.
And they're up. And a pretty nice event beginning to searching for the leader. We've got Bombs. Caught off arms is right behind in second and in third page. 7 legs, then comes Mary Jane Bomb. Class Action is running by the rail while Solo Singer was left behind. Inside the last 900, Bombs racing wide a little bit, leads by 3. Caught off arms in second and in third page. 7 legs still in fourth, then comes Batang Bukid. Class Action is running by the Mary Jane Bomb. Bombs still continues to be the leader, but this time shortening the gap to only 2 lengths. Then here comes Coat of Arms saving ground, just waiting for the rail to open up. 3:50 to travel. Coat of Arms now moves up. Bombs in second and in third is the page. 7 legs now coming in fairly too. Inside the last 200, Coat of Arms well clear in front, leads by 4. And in second we have 7 legs, Bombs, but it's still Coat of Arms maintaining a 3 lengths lead. 7 legs still in second. Class Action now moving upon the outside, but it's still Coat of Arms and Class Action, but it's too little, too late. Coat of Arms wins the race, then second Class Action, close for third between